Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to add an outline effect to your clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's say this is our clip, so we first duplicate it. I'm on Mac, so I hold down Option and then just drag the clip up. Then we open Effects, go to Open FX and search for Edge Detect. What we'll do is drag Edge Detect on the top of the first clip until it looks like this. Then we go over here, the composite mode from the first clip, we change to add till it looks like this. Go over to the effects and from mode, change RGB edges to grayscale edges. Then what you want to do is go over to video again and just zoom in a little bit. Let's say, yeah, you can do it however you like. I'll do it like this. And then with the opacity, you can adjust the strength of the effect. I'll just do it like this. And this will be our end result. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to add the outline effect to your clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.